Okay, another recipe from Piotraco Food Incorporated. Hi everyone! Ako, exciting ang recipe natin today because we are taking a break from making sweet stuff o yung mga pan-dessert. Sweet pa rin, but savory. Diba? Excited na kayo? Ang pinaka-highlight ng ating ingredients are these 3 products from Piotraco. This is Piotraco Sugar Light. Patatanisin niya ang ating tuna longganisa but less of the sugar calorie. Ang ating muscovado sugar with molasses, so medyo caramelly ang taste ng ating longganisa. Macy's cornstarch will be the one binding all these ingredients together. For the other ingredients, annatto powder, paprika, red onion, minced garlic, white vinegar, chili powder. We need to season it with salt and pepper. Huwag natin kalimutan ang ating tuna. So we now start mixing all the ingredients. And lastly, our cornstarch. We mix using our hands. Do not forget to season it with salt and pepper. Cling wrap this and store it for 30 minutes. Tapos ng 30 minutes, now we are ready to portion this. First, i-form muna natin siya ng bilog. Then we can now gently roll it into a log. Para magmukhang siyang longganisa.
You can make 14 pieces of longganisa. In a pan, heat up cooking oil. Fry longganisa until golden brown. Use paper towels to drain excess oil. There! Transfer to a serving dish with your favorite sauce. There you have it! Oh, enjoy! Tuna longganisa with sugar light, cornstarch, and muscovado. Let's taste this! Oh, so good! Naparami kain ko. That's my happy dance. See you on our next recipe!